Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be doing an overview on how to install a hitch on a E150 Ford Econoline. This is the year 2000, but I'm going to have an eBay and an Amazon link in the description below for the cheapest hitch for your car. It can be anything, a Nissan, Toyota, Ford, Chevy, whatever you drive. I can guarantee you in the link below it's going to be the most affordable hitch you'll ever find in your life. This whole package, the wiring harness, the hitch, the 2-inch ball, this thing, there's hardware in the car that we're going to be putting it on, so it came with the mounting hardware as well. I think it was less than like $180. Don't quote me on that, but it depends on your car. Depends on what you're buying it for, what your pricing is going to be. And this is a class 3/4 hitch, so it's pretty heavy duty. Pretty heavy duty steel. Well, yeah, 2-inch ball. It's got a draw tight. It also came with a wiring harness, which I thought was kind of neat as well. So it gave you a free wiring harness with that too. Anyway, on that note, let's get into this. I'm going to have some videos of us putting this thing on. I'm going to show you before and after of the car. Let's get to it. Chmelaeon.com. Out. Peace. So after you're done grinding the area and putting Flex Seal or rubber sealant on, we're actually taking out the carbon cylinder so we can put the hitch on. And where is the carbon cylinder? It's inside of the hitch?
Right here. It's inside the frame.
Inside the frame. This thing? Right here?
Yeah, right here.
That's it.
Well, you can't see it because if you look inside the frame, it's a big canister.
Oh, really? Like that. You can probably see it right there. Okay. Looking good. So you got that spacer washer in between the frame and the hitch, and then you got that lock nut washer. Right, or what do you call those stubble washers? Those little the gold looking ones.
Yeah, sure, right.
They look good. Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be doing an overview for where to get the best hitch prices online. There's going to be an Amazon link and an eBay link, where we actually got this one on eBay, below for you guys to get the most affordable hitch for your car. It doesn't matter if you drive a Toyota Corolla or a Ford Econoline E150. In my case, the links below are going to help you guys save a ton of money. It came with a hitch, there's a 2-inch ball, and a receiver, and it also had a full wiring harness and hardware to mount this thing. And I think it was only like $160 or $180 shipped. I mean, it was really, really affordable. And this is a class 3 hitch. This is not a cheap hitch. Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.